Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very beautiful pattern for you. You can use this pattern in gents sweaters, ladies cardigans, shawls, caps and also in baby blankets. From backside our pattern will look like this. I have used reversible border for this pattern. For this pattern I have used designer cast on. This cast on is more stretchable than normal basic cast on. From front side our pattern will look like this. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 8 stitches and plus 6 stitches to complete the pattern, and this is of 16 rows repeat pattern. I have knitted 2 base rows. From right side first row all purl and second row from wrong side I have knitted all net stitch. Now onwards third, fifth and seventh row we have to knit all stitches till the end of the row and purl last stitch. I have completed third row. Now row 4. Onwards 4th, 6th and 8th rows are of purl stitches. So this is 4th row, slip first stitch and then purl all stitches. Now we will complete all 4th, 6th and 8th row of purl stitches and 5th, 7th row of knit stitches. Here we have completed our 8th row. In this row we will pick up 2 stitches from first and second row. So let us start our 9th row now. For that slip first stitch and then purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. From here our repeat pattern starts. Now pick 2 stitches from first and second row. We have to pick these 2 stitches and place on left needle. And now knit these 3 stitches together from back loop. Again pick 2 stitches from first and second row. This is our second stitch. Place on left needle. Now these 2 stitches and 1 stitch from regular. Knit these 3 stitches together. Now purl 6 stitches, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here we have completed our first repeat pattern. Now again second repeat, pick 2 stitches from first and second row and place on left needle. Now these 2 stitches and 1 from regular, 1, 2 and 3. Knit these 3 stitches together. Again next stitch, pick 2 stitches from first and now second row, place on left needle and knit 3 stitches together. Again purl 6 stitches. This is our second repeat pattern. We have to repeat these 8 stitches till last 2 stitches. Here we have to pick up 2 stitches from first and second row. Pick these 2 stitches and place on left needle and now knit these 3 stitches together. Again pick 2 stitches from first and second row. If you find it difficult to pick up stitches from first and second row, then you can use another needle to pick these 2 stitches. Now you can place these 2 stitches on left needle and now knit these 3 stitches together. Here we have completed our 9th row. Now 10th row from wrong side, slip 1 stitch and then knit all stitches. Knit all stitches till the end of the row and purl last edge stitch. Now row 11th, 13th and 15th we have to knit all stitches. Earlier on 10th row we have knitted all stitches. Now on 11th row again we are going to knit all stitches. Onwards row 12th, 14th and 16th purl all stitches and row 13th and 15th knit all stitches. So now we will continue our work on 17th row. Here we have completed our 16 rows. Now it's our 17th row. From right side, we will continue our 17th row. In the beginning, we will pick up 2 stitches from 10th and 11th row and place on left needle. After that, knit 3 stitches together. Again, pick 2 stitches from 10th and 11th row and place on left needle. And knit 3 stitches together. After that, purl 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here we have completed our first repeat pattern. Again, pick up 2 stitches from 10th and 11th row. Place on left needle. Place on left needle. Yarn in back. And now knit 3 stitches together. Again, pick 2 stitches from 10th and 11th row. Place on left needle. Now knit 3 stitches together from back loop. Now yarn in front and purl 6 stitches. Repeat these 8 stitches till the last repeat pattern. After last repeat pattern, pick 2 stitches from 10th and 11th row, place on left needle and knit 3 stitches together. Again, pick up 2 stitches from 10th and 11th row. Place on left needle and knit 3 stitches together from back loop. Now instead of 6 purl stitches, knit 4 purl stitches. Here we have completed our 17th row. Now from back side, 18th row, slip 1 stitch and then knit all stitches. Complete 18th row with knit stitches. We have completed our 18th row. Repeat these 16 rows from 3rd to 18th row to get this pattern. If you like my video, then don't forget to like and share it, and if you are watching my video for first time, then subscribe my channel to support me and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So bye friends, meet you soon in next video. Till then, bye bye.